Charlie Sexton has just released his debut album, but the guitarist has appeared on vinyl many times before. A couple of years back, he recorded a song with Keith Richards and Ron Wood. The tune was It's Not Easy, and it was on the soundtrack to the movie The Wildlife. Charlie told MTV that some people get very nervous around members of the Rolling Stones.
The way everyone else around was acting, everyone was like nervous, like, oh, these are rock stars, oh, we gotta... But, I mean, I wasn't, rather than be nervous, I mean, they were so real and just regular people that I didn't see no need to act any differently.
Well, Charlie's going to be a featured performer at the 5th annual MTV New Year's Eve Rock and Roll Ball Tuesday night. Daryl Hall and John Oates take over here with Some Things Are Better Left Unsaid.
So let's bring it to the party. Stay up all night, go crazy, and then give away $1 million. That's how MTV's going to do it at the 5th annual MTV New Year's Eve Rock and Roll Ball. Live on stage from New York City, the heart of darkness, an all-star bill. Starship. Hooters. The Vinyls. And Charlie Sexton. 4 hours of live music, and we're giving away $1 million in cash and prizes as we wrap up the contest of the century, the $1 Million Giveaway. Join MTV, special guests, miscellaneous party flamingos, and your social director, Howie Mandel, as we ring in the new year across America in all 4 time zones. Live on your tube, the 5th annual MTV New Year's Eve Rock and Roll Ball, starting 11:30 p.m. Eastern, 8:30 Pacific. Sponsored in part by Swatch and Ford. 8685 with MTV.